Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your guide on how to buy credits. First, log into your account using the employer's login form. Enter your credentials and click Login. On your employer's panel, you can buy credits by clicking on the Buy button in the upper right corner of the screen. You may also click on the Buy Credits button on the left side of the screen or go to the Credits tab. After clicking the Buy Credits button, fill out the information needed. Then click the Send Request button to inquire. Your account manager will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.